Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got for you Triple H's 199X365 Fresh album. This came out a while ago, and if you don't know it, then where have you been? And you obviously don't know much about controversy, since this started the whole of HyunA and E'Dawn's relationship. This is the front. This is also a really huge album, if you haven't got it. This is the back. Tracklisting. Then inside you get this monster. Like a little pouch. And you get, I think these are called pogs or something like that. And you get member-specific ones, so I got E'Dawn's one. And I also got E'Dawn's sticker sheet. They're also member-specific. So here is HyunA's photo book. Looks like that on both sides. I really love the summery feel of the album. Oh. HyunA's obviously my favorite member. And I'm so sad that the group broke up, but they kind of had no choice because of the whole drama. I think they would have been a really successful group. But I'm glad that HyunA's out of Cube now, and she's with a company that can treat her well, and she's still with E'Dawn. Sorry, these are a bit awkward to hold because of the flaps at the back. These little things. That was HyunA. I'll just move those. This is Hui. He's still in Pentagon. So if you didn't know, Hui and E'Dawn were from Pentagon prior to this release. And now it's just Hui left. Sorry if I'm butchering Korean pronunciation. Sexy shadows. I presume they're in America for this. I like that each member gets a little photo book too. And we have E'Dawn. I really loved his whole visual, this concept. And it made me fall in love with him, just like HyunA did. He seems like a pretty quirky character too. He's riding Nemo. A lovely shot of the pool. Oh. Someone looking hot. Damn, boy. He's got a really good bod. HyunA sometimes posts photos of him now. Naughty girl. This is the lyric book. More like a poster. So you get that one, folds out into that. This is so hard to show. And the other side. And then finally, the CD. And you get a specific CD plate. I got HyunA's, which I'm so happy for. Yeah. Such a good album. If you don't know it, please check out their music. And check out their other album, Retro Future, which I also have, and I will show you in the coming videos. Please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at MomoHappySweet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Johnny, bye bye.